Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to create React app from scratch. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Open your browser, visit createreactapp.dev and click on Get Started. As you can see, this website can help you with React for anything from beginning. Here are the commands to create a React app. Go to command prompt and navigate to your Git folder. Paste the command and update your app name. It will take some time to install packages and create React app for you. Go inside the project folder and enter npm start to run the application. Open browser and visit localhost 3000. As you can see, the app is up and running. So, we have created our React application from scratch successfully. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.